Hi, today I'm going to unboxing this Agent 18 thing for the iPod Nano 3rd generation. It says right here, it's the Nano Video basically. So let me see, it comes with the instructions. See, let me focus. Yeah, it comes with the instructions. The case itself, pretty nice case. I don't have one of these, but I just bought it for review purposes, and probably gonna have a giveaway on this if you have one of these. I know a lot of people probably don't still have these, but it was on sale, so I just figured I would get it. Then it's a pretty nice case. I don't have the device anymore for this, but you snap it together. It's pretty durable. It's pretty protective. Comes with this stand for your iHome. iHome, so you just like stick it in there while it's in the case, and you can like charge it and stuff. It's pretty nice, I think so. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The review on this, on the Agent 18 for the Nano Video Agent 18 Eco Shield for an unboxing. So don't forget to comment, like, and thumbs up this video, and subscribe. Peace.